Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I want to show you how to use Revoke.cash to remove approvals for your tokens. So some of the protocols, when you approve them, they have, if I go to all of them, some of them I approve like a specific amount, and some of them have unlimited. If you are using a wallet just for trading or for moving funds, that's not so much of a problem. But if you have your main wallet, it's not a bad practice to go and revoke everything once in a while. It's not something that you have to do every day. But yeah, my main wallet, I try to keep as many approvals, especially the unlimited one. So basically, you go to revoke.cash, you go to get started, then you're going to choose the Flare networks in this case, or you can use any other check connected address, and then it's going to take a little bit. Yeah, so it takes around a minute, and then if you select them all, you can do it for 150, which is super easy. It's still, you have to sign each transaction, so it's going to take a minute depending on how many approvals you have. But if you don't want to pay, you just choose one, revoke selected, and then here on my wallet, I just sign, confirm, and then this is going to be removed. Um, I think it's a good practice to do it. Sometimes we test a protocol and then the protocol goes down under, and then we have some approvals left open that you never know what could happen. So it's a good practice. All right, guys, I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.